We're going to put together this bookcase. It has lights with it, and there's also doors on the bottom of it. We have unboxed everything. You can see all of the pieces, and there are instructions. You can see there's a green sticker on all of the items, which has a number on it, so it should be fairly easy to put together. And then there was a box of hardware, which included a screwdriver. First thing we'll do is take bracket L and separate it. So you'll slide it out, press that down, and now it's separate. The first board, we are lining up the holes, so you can see through that, and then we are putting them in the small divots right there with 2 small screws. And we're putting the 2 screws in on the other piece as well. And now we are taking letter A and screwing those into the appropriate holes on boards 1 and 2. Now we are attaching the magnet to the middle of this board with the 2 screws that were with the magnet. We're putting dowels in board 5 on each end. Now we're putting A's into board 5. Now we're going to take hardware B and put them into number 6, and you want to match the arrow so it lines up with the hole where you're going to put the other hardware. And we'll do that with 2 of them. And now we're putting a dowel in the center here in board 6, and then we are attaching board 5 to board 6 like so. Now we will tighten it by turning B. Dowels in board 6 on each side. Now we are attaching the B hardware into 5 and 6. Now we're attaching boards 5 and 6 to board 2. We're putting B hardware into board 4. So put it in 3 and now into board 7. We are putting board 4 into board 2 and then twisting the B hardware. And now we're attaching board 7 here. Putting 3 into 2. You want to pay attention to where the magnet is facing. And then we will tighten that. Sliding board 8 into 6 and 7. You'll just slide that all the way down. Taking board 1 and putting it on top of what we just built. So we will make sure it slides right into the appropriate holes. Or it doesn't go down all the way. You want to check the B hardware and make sure it is lining up in all of the holes, so you can rotate it if you need to, and then it will fit right in there. And then we're going to tighten these up. We're going to this up like so. We will slide another number 8 into the back. We're putting 4 dowels into the top and the appropriate holes on both sides. Now we are screwing hardware A into boards 9 and 10 in the appropriate holes. We're putting dowels into 9 and 10. The instructions do say to put it in 11, but we don't want them to fall out, so we're actually putting them into 9 and 10. Putting hardware B into both of the 11 boards. Put one of the 11 boards into 9, and we are tightening it up, and then we'll put the other one in. So you can see the light is on that side, and the groove is over here on the left. And now we just slid 12 into 11s, and you want to make sure the notch is in the right position. Now we are putting number 10 on top of the 11s and 12. Now we are tightening it into place. Now we're sliding board 13 into 9 and 10. Now we put dowels in here right by number 13 and on the bottom. Now we're attaching board 15 to board 14 with 3 screws. Now we are putting another 15 onto board 17 while we have those same screws out. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you have that deeper hole for the screw to go into. We didn't realize that we needed to have that deeper set of the hole on top, so we are doing this one again. And we realized that we slid 13 into the wrong side, so we took that out and now we're sliding it into the correct side. And you want to make sure that notch is on the edge. Now we're putting board 14 on top, and we will use the screws and screw it into place. Now we just slid that last board in place. So we have 9 and 10 laying down. We put the dowels in. Now we're putting the board on the bottom. Now we are screwing the bottom board in. Now we're putting hardware A into the bottom piece so we can stack this on top. We lifted the top piece up and put it on top of the bottom piece. And now we are tightening the pieces together. We've hooked all of the wire together here, and now we are putting the little tabs in each of the corners, like so. Now we're going to put these items into board 22, so we put B hardware into them first. So we are using the screws, putting it together. Now we're sliding piece 24 into those boards. Now we have piece 25 and we are putting A hardware into that. Now we will screw the knob into board 25. And now we put the 2 dowels into board 24. And now we will place the front piece on. And we are tightening those up. We have the brackets on the side and we're going to screw those in. We'll do that for both sides. We've moved 18 and put that little silver piece on the end. We're putting the 2 brackets on the edge. So we have 2 screws on the side here and then 1 on the edge. Here we have the handle that we are screwing into place. We repeated those same steps that we did on 18 for board 19. Now we're screwing boards 26 and 27 together. We'll do that 3 times. We have screwed on one door here, and now we're going to screw on the other door. The doors are on. We are going to slide the drawer into place. We are sliding the bookends into the shelves now. This came together really nicely. It has a really nice, clean look to it. As you can see, so you can put books up there, and then you could put games or whatever you wanted to in the cupboards, and some notepads in the drawer, or some pens or markers, coloring books, things like that. I've plugged it in and turned on the lights. It looks really, really nice. Here is the remote that comes with it. So you can turn it on or off here. And then you can change the lighting. So it can be a cooler light or in between or a warmer light. And then there's also a timer. So you can do 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours, or here's the clear button. And then you can also dim it. So it can go brighter or dimmer, depending on how you like it. I think this turned out really, really nice. And it's going to be a really great cabinet. I was compensated for this. I hope it helps.